menthol. Ugh.
How's this working?
Let him sit fast.
Yeah, let Toby get a photo.
Toby's too big to sit up front.
Toby, you want to drive?
Sure.
Dad, you want to take over?
You volunteered.
Let him drive. Just, let him sit in front of you and keep your hands.
You're not Catholic.
You dummy.
I figure
Just keep your hands where, you know what I mean? Where you can grab the brake if you have to. Or steer if you freeze it up. Come on. We're losing daylight. We're losing daylight.
Come on, people. Oh,
You can't even get on the thing. How's he going to drive it?
You can drive it.
Just in case
Oh, you're
the
blocking my
guy-
shot, Caleb.
That is very hot.
Yeah. What's hot?
What is hot? Because I
This metal thing down here, the round metal thing, the engine,
Oh, yeah, okay, I felt that.
holds brakes in somebody. Ready? Do not go fast. Don't go fast.
Yeah, please don't.
Watch the skateboard.
Tell him you're going to have to help him turn. He's gonna in the brakes. You try to keep the brakes like this. You should have just drove.
I'm walking faster than they're moving. Let go of the gas! Hit the brake!
No, quit with the gas!
How'd you do?